What's up? This is Donovan Green from Donovan Green Fitness. If you have not been to this channel is all about the mindset, showing you that fitness is not just about a look, it's about the mind, the spirit, and everything else that makes you you. We remove excuses. We remove my knees hurting me, my back is hurting me, my shoulders are hurting me, I'm in a wheelchair. We remove all those excuses and show you that you can do this. So if you can sit down, you can get fit, right? If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. I'm seeing that a lot of you are looking at the videos, but you're not hitting the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also join me at donovangreenfitness.com. Become a member today. Support what I'm doing every month. Use the code CHAIRWORKOUTS and get in for $7.49 a month. Your donation to this monthly cause will keep me doing what I'm doing and helping others who simply cannot afford to pay anything. All right? So anyway, without further ado, today's workout is going to be you, your body, your chair. We're going to go full cardio. I just finished doing my workout. So if I'm going to burn out, you're going to burn out with me. Each move is going to be done for 30 seconds. Every 30 seconds, we're going to shift it. Let me get the timer set. This is a 10-minute workout. Okay, here we go. First round. We're going to throw punches in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So we'll punch in 30 seconds. Keep your stomach nice and tight. That's it. Relax the shoulders. Make that fist. Make sure your thumb is locking your fist. This is a straight 10-minute cardio burn. You are going to hate me so much from this workout. Man, you're going to be like, I can't stand him. Where does he live? How can we get him? Okay, arms up. Punch up. Up, 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 up. Come on, keep on breathing. Now, keep in mind, I'm going at my tempo here, but I want you to move at your tempo. This is your workout, not mine. Make the workout your own. Move to what feels good to you. Come on, we have 10 seconds. We're going to go to single leg marches, bringing the left and right knee up, one after the other, in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Give me that side twist. Rotate that torso. When I lift that left leg, I'm turning the torso to the left. And when I go to the right, I'm turning to the right. Come on, I just messed it up. Here we go. Back to my rhythm. You got it. We're going to go to seated jacks coming up in 10 seconds. Focus on your breathing. You're probably wondering, why is your heart rate up already? Well, because you got a crazy coach. That's why. Seated jacks. Now, the seated jacks, make sure the legs are going in and out, and you're not doing like this. You see the knees, how they staying still? No. Legs in and out. Come on, keep on pumping, keep on pumping. Boom, boom, boom. Push, push. 10 seconds left. We're going to go to side bends, working those oblique muscles in 5 seconds. Come on, you can do this. Give me everything you got. 3, 2, 1. Arms here. Side bends. Keep that core tight. Sit up tall. Torsion. Boom. Pace yourself, okay? I'm going faster because I have control in this exercise and I understand the mechanics. But if you don't feel comfortable, go on my pace, go your pace. You're going to hear me say it a million times. Come on. We got speed bags coming up in 3, 2, 1. Left leg forward, right leg's back. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Speed bags, baby. Don't let me see you hit your lip. Like, boom, 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 boom. Don't hit those lips. Keep your arms away from your lips. Woo, woo, woo. Woo. Circle, 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 circle. This is called speed bags because you ever see those boxers when they be hitting the bag, they be doing all these motions. That's what we're doing. We got 5 seconds. We're going to go to the other side. But before we do that, we're going to go to knee marches again in 3, 2, 1. All right. Don't forget the side you were on a minute ago. If your back is starting to hurt you, a couple of things you need to do. Round your back up a little bit more. Keep your stomach tighter. And if that's too much for you, just go here. Stop raising those knees. Give yourself a little time to recover. We don't want you to hurt yourself, okay? The only thing I want you to feel is those muscles burning. Anything beyond that, I don't want you to push through it, okay? Come on, we got 3 seconds and my shoulders is on fire. Okay. All right. Next side, speed bags. Let's go. Woo. Now keep in mind, I just finished doing a workout. I'm telling you, I just did a lot of things. And here I am, still working out with you. So no excuses, baby. No. Come on. Boom, boom, boom. When you start to get tired, yelling, screaming, growling, grunt, whatever you got to do. But don't give up. Don't give up. And 2 and 2 and 1. Go. Jacks, jacks, jacks. Boom, 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 boom. Make it a dance. If you make it a dance and you have a little bit of fun, I'm telling you, you're going to be awesome. Ooh. Oh, I can feel everything here working. Woo, baby. Oh, God, let me start to say my prayer right now. Lord, please let this pain go away right now. 8 seconds. The prayer's not working right now. 4, I feel that burn. 3, 2, back to punches. Let's go. Come on. Hit, 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 hit. You got to have fun, baby. If you live your life too serious, the question is, what's the point of living, man? You got to smile. Laugh at yourself. Okay? Come on. Come on. We almost there. Celebrate that win. Every minute, every 30 seconds, you celebrate it. Give me all you can. If you got to take a break, take it. But come right back in. We got 3 seconds. I'm going to uppercuts. 2 and 1. Uppercuts. Punch. Don't punch yourself into your chin. Punch away from your body. Boom. If you want to slow it up, to maintain a perfect form in your uppercuts, maintain it. But if you're good enough, pick the speed up. There it is. Good. Come on, don't stop. Your body is the best gym on the planet, baby. Sink your knees. Ready? Let's go. Knee them up. I'm chopping across the body. You see it? Chopping across. Focus. Focus. 15 seconds. I know it's burning, but trust me, I feel it too. What do you think? I don't feel it? You think coaches don't feel it? We are human beings just like you. Well, I take it back. I'm an alien. But that's a different story. Come on. 3, 2, I'm watching you. 1, next side, go. No mercy. Come on. No mercy. We are getting fit together. Come on, man. Come on. And don't forget to leave it on those comments. I'm reading those comments, man. I'm reading them. The more I see you, the better. It makes me know I'm not by myself. Oh, I got a cramp. I'm going to still keep on going. I'm going to help my leg out because I'm going to push through this cramp because it's not going to hurt me. Come on, baby. I'm going to push through it. 3, 2, 1. Touchdowns. Down and up. Oh, yeah. Who said that sitting down means it's going to be easy, huh? My program is chair workouts. I didn't say chair meditation. I didn't say that. I said chair workouts. So many of you talking about, oh, God, I can't believe I'm sweating. I can't believe I'm feeling this. What do you think? It's a workout. Come on. Okay, here we go. You might get a little confused here, but just follow the rhythm. Every time the leg goes out and in, there's a punch. Punch in, out, in, out, in. It moves together. On every punch, the legs are moving. See it? Punch, 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 punch. You got it. Punch, punch. Come on. Punch, 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 punch. That's it. We're going to go to seated chest flies coming up with a leg lift. Well, actually, leg tap and 1. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Ooh, boom, Yep. See, I'm not here to be like everybody else on the internet, man. This is a different vibration, baby. Completely different. There's nobody you're going to find that you can say, oh, that's like Donovan. Heck no. There's only one me. And guess what? There's only one you. So when I tell you to make your workout your own, I really mean it. Make it your own. 3, 2, 1. Up and over. Up, 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 up. Push, push, push. Look straight ahead of you. Get into your rhythm. Find that cardio pace. Keep the stomach tight and stop slouching. Lift your chest up and stop slouching. Let's go. Keep on pushing, keep on pushing. Whew. Yep. Let's go. We have 1 minute and 30 seconds after this because we can do this. It's nothing. We got this. Finish strong. Okay. Let's run, let's run, let's run. Woo. Oh yeah. Keep on moving those legs. If I'm going too fast for you, grab it here. I'm using this moment to explain it so I can get a little rest time. I'm sneaky, but I don't want rest time. I want burn time. Let's go. We got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Woo! Oh yeah. Come on. Give me that work. Give me the scream. Whatever you got to do, you do it. But do not stop, because I'm watching you right now. I'm going to look at you the whole time. I don't want to hear nothing out of you. I want work. You're not here to play games. You all here to work. And I'm not here to play games. I'm here to work. Come on. Last movement. Last movement. Come on. Come on. Left and right. Right and left. Left middle. Left middle. Right middle. Come on. Woo. Pop. Woo. Boom. Oh, yeah. Woo. Oh, I want to stop so bad. I want to stop so bad, but I'm not going to stop. Come on, baby. We have only 13 seconds left. Make it a dance. Make it a dance. Whatever it takes to get it through. I'm going to get my through. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Woo. Oh, gosh. Shut up, timer. Oh, that burned so much. That was 10 minutes. Those 10 minutes felt like it was the end of the world. It was like ridiculous. I'm telling you, if you can sit, you can get fit. I'm showing you all this, but I'm telling you right now, these workouts that I'm giving you is not made for just anybody. You got to be willing to push. You have to give me everything you've got. If you start giving me like 50% or 90%, I'm not satisfied. I want 100% all the time. If you take yourself and put yourself in the shoe of yourself 10 years, 15 years from now, and your 15-year-old self, 15-year-older self can come and talk to you now, is that person going to say, yo, great job, thanks for taking care of me? Or is that person going to be disappointed and sad? You got to push yourself 100%. You can't play games. You can't be here just limiting your mindset. You know, and you know, we live in a world where everybody is stuck on who looks better than who. I don't give a rat's butt about that. I want to say the next word, but I'm just going to keep it clean right now. We all have our body types, right? Like I have these skinny legs, man. Chicken legs. Where is my leg? I mean, both of my legs together is like one leg for most people, right? It doesn't mean I have weak legs. It doesn't mean I have limited movements in my legs, aside from my knees being messed up. But you know what? I can still run. I can still kick you. I can still climb. I can still do all that because my legs is made to do that. So look at your body. Be thankful for what you have, right? But just work on enhancing your body. Don't sit back and say, oh, I wish I had Sarah's butt. Or I wish I had, perkier chest. Or I wish I had, no freaking muffin tops or whatever terms they use. Start giving respect to the positivity in your life and feed the positive. That way the negative can start to dissipate. It can start to eliminate itself out of your life. You feel what I'm saying? Remember, this is not just about a workout. And when I'm telling y'all to join the program and sign up, I know a lot of you are hesitant. You're trying to feel me out. You're trying to see what I'm about. But if you are a member of the Chill Workouts and you literally are supporting what I'm doing, I want to thank you because you're giving people the opportunity who cannot afford to pay anything because they're really broke and don't have the means. You are helping me to keep on going, which is also helping other people to keep their bodies going and stay motivated and stay inspired to live because so many people are becoming suicidal and it's a sad thing to say, but it's the truth. People are mentally breaking down. And if we can all get together, you help me to grow this business, I'm going to keep on doing what I'm doing to ensure that somebody's mom, grandmother, somebody's auntie, cousin, niece, wife, husband, girlfriend, sister, brother, whatever, is going to be at a place where they can still do stuff and not feel down. Anyway, this is Donovan Green from Donovan Green Fitness. I'm telling you that your body is just a body until you make it a temple. All right? See you later. Peace.